So this is how it turned out. How do y'all feel about it? Do y'all like it? I love it. I love it. I love it. Stay tuned on how I did this. I am going to be doing 2-strand twists on my hair, on my locks, but with a little twist, because I will be adding Marley Hair. So I'm going to be adding some Marley Hair to my 2-strand twist. And I bought like 6 packs of these things. And I don't really know like how much I'm gonna get out of it, but I really want it to be like at least to my butt. You know what I'm saying? So I hope that I can make that work. But if not, I just go back to the store. But I was just trying to get it done at one time. But we're gonna see how that works out, okay? Yeah, so I am most likely going to do my hair and show you something from the front of how I did it. And I think I'm gonna add beads. So I am currently waiting for some of my beads to show up through Amazon, and that would be coming in tomorrow. So I seen some other girls rocking this hairstyle, and I was like, that is so cute. I think I want to try it. So this is my version of it. You know, you might have seen the video before, but you know, it's new to me. So stay tuned. All right, so I break down the hair. I break down the hair in 3 parts. So I add, this is 1 part, is 2. And then the same, this is the second part, is 2 parts, and then the 3rd. So I'll show you this one. This is water. I kind of moisturize my hair a little bit and then add the lock and twist gel to my hair. And so like that. Twist your hair. Twist it. So I'm twisting left. Retwisting my hair left. But I am doing the 2-strand twist going right. And I kind of like, you know, twist my hair left and twist the 2-strand twist right. That's how you get it to stay in place. And then when I get like halfway like this, I add the first set, and I just put it in there like this, and as I'm twisting, just twist it in there, and it'll stay. And I just twist it down a little bit more, and I add the second one like that. Twisted it down. I just keep twisting it down. And as I get towards like one of them or both of them, about to get to the end of one of the locks, I just add the second hair into it. I just keep twisting it until I get all the way down to the bottom. Okay, so now I think that I'm going to, well, I know, because I already ordered these beads from Amazon. So I ordered some beads from Amazon. They will be in tomorrow, and I'm going to see how it looks on the ends of my hair. But it look like my lock might be want to come out. If I find something like that, like, you know, right here, maybe I'll just put a bead on it, you know, in that little spot to kind of conceal. So maybe I'll just put some beads throughout. All right, so I will show you the finished product with the beads whenever they come in.